I will take number 7 and bring me some white Chardonnay with it, okay? Thank you. So, you wouldn't believe what happened today. My colleague Jessica, she bring her kid inside of the office. I mean, I don't mind kids, but everybody's trying to work and you have a loud kid running around and making chaos. Like, really? We are... Second, please. Sorry, I'm super sneezy today. We are a professional workspace, and we can't have this kind of chaos in the work, you know? Like, do you understand? Babe, do you have any tissue? My nose really bothering me. Come on, give me some tissue, please. Come on, baby. Please, I need it. Come on, baby, give me some tissue, please. Hurry up. What are you doing? Why is it taking you so long? Just give me a tissue. A tissue. A tissue. A tissue. A tissue. A tissue. Oh my God. A tissue, finally. A tissue. A tissue. A tissue. A tissue. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, it's all over the table. Oh my... Babe, you have to be faster when I ask you for something like this. So it's not disaster like this. Oh my God. They will be mad when they will see the table. Oh, it's still there. Do you have one more? I think I will need one more. Oh my God. Oh, I just... Oh my God. Sorry. People start looking around. Oh my God. Achoo! 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 Oh my God, I can't stop. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh, it get me so tired. Oh. Oh, I hope that was the last one. No. This almost got me out of the chair. Oh, I hope the food will come soon. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. This was a little chaos. And this is how it looks like when you don't get your tissue in time. Poor table.